Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find lost Ultrahuman ring. So first thing what you need to do is basically open the app, then head over to the ring icon at the top left corner, click on it, and then here you will see basically mostly under the battery, you will see locate my ring, save my location. So if you turn this on, the ring will basically the app will save the location. So location data will help you track and locate your ring if it's lost, and locate my ring here if you enable it. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. It's just helping you if you lost the ring. So an on-screen proximity radar will appear displaying estimated distance metrics in to your ring. Yeah, what you can also do, walk from room to room, watch the matrix tracker. If the numbers goes down, you are getting closer. And yeah, this is how you use this thing, as you can see. Now, yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.